Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. Okay, what we need is next to the phone, the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. If you remove the little box here up, then you will find here in the middle the SIM ejection tool. So just remove the pins like this and you will have it. Otherwise you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, first of all, let me tell you that this phone have two versions for the SIM trays. So one single SIM version and one dual SIM version. The single SIM version allows you only to insert one SIM card, and if you want a microSD card, and the dual SIM version will allow you to insert two SIM cards or one SIM card and a microSD card. By the way, you can recognize the dual SIM version if you have here the opportunity to insert a second SIM card. I will show you it in the next step. But first of all, let us insert the first SIM card like this. On that position here. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay. Now, let me insert a second SIM card. As I said, you can do this only in the dual SIM version, but the dual SIM version is the most common one. If you have the opportunity to insert a SIM card here like this, then you have the dual SIM version. So it has to look like this then finally with missing corner on missing corner, and the contacts are below. Okay, otherwise you can also have here at this place a microSD card if you want. So that should look like this then at the end. And by the way, let me tell you also that it's not possible to insert two SIM cards and a microSD card at the same time. At this phone, it is not possible. Okay, and then if you have your construction with two SIM cards or one SIM card and a microSD card or just one SIM card, you just put it back here into the phone like this. And it's done. Oops. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment. Maybe if you have a question about the dual SIM and the single SIM version and so on. Or you can give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And you have created also some other videos if you're interested in maybe. Or you can just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much in any case. And yeah, maybe we see us next time. Ciao.